Hi. Monday mornings can mean two things to people. Either it's, oh my god, why does Monday come so soon? Or, yay, it's Monday, the sun is up, I can continue doing what I love. If you belong to group number one, there's a very high chance you most likely don't like your job. If you belong to group number two, you definitely love your job, and most likely you're happier in life generally. In this video, let's talk about doing what you love, or doing what you have fun doing, or in Warren Buffett's way, let's call it tap dancing to work. Warren Buffett says, take the job you would take if you didn't need a job, or look for the job you would want to hold if you didn't need a job or if you didn't need the money. By doing this is one of the ways you can figure out what you love doing or what you're passionate about. So why is it so important for us to follow our passion? Steve Jobs says, you have to have a lot of passion for what you're doing, because it's so hard that if you don't, any rational person would give up. It's really hard, and you have to do it over a sustained period of time. So if you don't love it, if you're not having fun doing it, you're going to give up. The ones that are successful in the eyes of society, quote, loved what they did, so they could persevere when things got hard. And the ones that didn't love it quit, because they're sane. Who would want to put up with stuff that they don't love? So if you don't love it, you're going to fail. So basically you have to love it, and you have to have a lot of passion for it. So what are the benefits of following your passion or doing what you love? One, when you're following your passion, because of the time and effort invested comes with a lot of strong zeal and enthusiasm, success and money will automatically follow. Because you're so passionate about it, you will throw yourself entirely into it, and by doing this you will be delivering far more than expected, and by doing this you'll be adding way more value than what is needed. Persistence. When you wake up thinking how to push forward, and during this process you naturally develop the art of persistence. You won't wake up to a 9 to 5 life-sucking job. Work feels like play to you because you love it. So when you wake up with a lot of energy and fervor, and most importantly, you will beat the competition, because what is work to them is basically play to you. You're more happier in general, and you will have a sense of purpose, because this is not about you. This is about fulfilling a meaningful purpose, and your contribution or that contribution can impact the world. While characteristics such as strong values, talent, ambition, persistence, and luck, all of these factors contribute to success, but following your passion can make the biggest difference of all. Basically, by following your passion, you will end up being more alive, feeling more alive, adding more value, and most importantly, enjoying the byproduct of all of this, which is success and wealth. As Steve Jobs famously said, people with passion can change the world for the better. And this has always been the case, because most people who ended up changing the world had a lot of passion, had a strong fervor, a lot of passion for what they did. And because of that ended up being the ripple effect that eventually changed the world. Take any case, whether it's Elon Musk or a Bezos or a Bill Gates or a Zuckerberg, anybody, they all initially started off with their passion, and eventually the byproduct was it ended up changing the world. Before I end this video, I want to say one thing. Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, all of these people, they didn't start off being very wealthy. They started off in different ways, but eventually they ended up being where they are and doing what they did because of two things. One is passion, they followed what they loved, and the next one is persistence. And because they were passionate, it was easier for them to be persistent when things got hard. I hope you find this video useful, and I hope you eventually either quit your 9 to 5 life-sucking job and try doing what you love, because it's totally worth the risk, it's totally worth a shot, because at the end of the day, one of the biggest takeaways from following your passion is you feel more alive, and most importantly, you enjoy what you do every day. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If it was truly helpful, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for your time. Bye bye for now.